Number 11. 4 test tubes are set up as shown. The test tubes are kept at 20 degrees in water bath in the light for 2 hours. In which test tube does the hydrogen carbonate indicator turn yellow? So hydrogen carbonate indicator, okay. So hydrogen carbonate indicator shows, or it changes its color from red, as you can see it's red, from red to other colors, depending on how much carbon dioxide is present. Okay, so it turns into yellow if there's a lot of carbon dioxide. This is a bit too bright there. Okay, let's just use custom. Maybe this is better, a bit better. So it happens when there's a lot of CO2, high CO2. I'll just write down high CO2. Yeah. It also changes into purple. If there is less CO2. Okay. So here, if you look at A, it's not going to produce a lot of CO2 because the leaves will suck in CO2 for photosynthesis. Okay, so there's less CO2, so it's going to turn into purple here. But if you look at B, so if you look at this test tube, it's covered by black paper, so the light cannot go through the test tube. Hence, there's going to be no photosynthesis. So the only life process that these leaves will do is respiration. So through respiration or by respiration, it's going to produce more carbon dioxide. Hence, there's an increase in carbon dioxide, and it's going to produce, it's not going to produce, it's going to change the red hydrogen carbonate indicator into yellow because there's high concentration of CO2. Hence, the answer should be B. Okay?